Hello guys, may pupuntahan kami ni Lola. Mr. Bacolod. Baka naman. Ayan. Wow. You say Siri, the horse? The horse. Like ours. This one, oh. This, oh. Si Kwasa. Oh, wow. Okay. Nice. Nice. Pang-garden siya. Oh, beautiful. Oh. What is this? Blinking owl. Ay, wow. Is a fake this one. Fake grass. So nice. Nandun pa si Lolo, guys.